Yeah, hi. So I am working on the first issue. PDF is blank, and I tried to create a signature. So I used the package Visual Page, which is on the tab B sign. It's signature, and I put the signature ID and the parent ID. The parent ID is this contact which you have used in your testing, but there is nothing happening to the contact because you are not sending any mail or something. So, and I'm using this HUD experience right now. Okay, and so first thing is when I tried to sign, I got an error. And let me show you what was the error. So this is the error executing flow signature processing flow definition ID. This is the ID, and this is actually a flow version ID. So this is a flow version ID, that means a process builder's version ID, which failed. So clearly it's not our package process builder because we don't have one. So I checked, and the process builder is signature processing, and what it's doing is let me show you what's the purpose of this process builder, and why is it throw an exception here, because you cannot get the line number or something in process builders. You have to see the process builder, and sometime it throw an exception. I'm not making any change in any of these process builders or any settings. I will revert back anything I have changed. So this is for HUD. The condition is if signature is like here signed and signature requested from is HUD intake form. Second is just the second experience where we put USDA signature and something like that. Let me show you. The, yeah, okay. So this is USDA. You see, yeah. So for this, the requested form is USDA signature sheet. So the this process builder is for these two, and it update. It update is the legal text and the contact field, contact object with the signatures, accounts, and PA one to one contact ID. That means it's updating the contact field of signature or something like that. But due to some permission issue or something, it failed. So I'm not going to check on that, because first I need to check why the PDF is blank. So what I did is here I am using this one, the HUD test. So I put a small TXT. I will remove it after my testing, so that the process builder should not run. So I just bypass that of my testing. So first, when I did this, then signature saved and signed successfully. But then I got the second issue that I will. So the second issue is something in our package. So we are using which version we are using here. I think it's one. Let me check. So we are using 3.132. I'm not going in the package of versions of patch. So 132, and there was an issue. The issue was when we put something in experience. Let me show you. So let's say we put PDF template here, and something else here in the template page for PDF here in the main setting. What happened, our class was overriding this experience value with the custom setting value, and this is happening in 1.32, and I think this I fixed this in 3.133. So that's why whenever I was creating a signature, it was using this custom settings PDF, not the uh, experience one. So what I made is I just made both of them same for now. I will create a new package so that you can push into this production. I will not install or upgrade this package. So after this, uh, I got both issues solved. Now let's go back to see if the third issue is there. And okay, let's create a signature. So one more thing, I just removed this attached PDF to parent to 0. I do not want to put a PDF on the contact, but because the issue is in the package, it will override from the custom setting, and it will be 1 by default. So the yeah, you see attached PDF on parent record after signature is tick, so it is overriding the experience value. So you can see here. So after upgrading this package, this issue will be solved. So let's go back and create a signature, clear the tier logs. So testing to this else something like this. So what? Okay, let's see what happens. So I tested 2-3 times, and for me, I think it's working fine. But I want to show you this, that I am not able to reproduce the problem that you showing me in the video. But maybe this time it happened. So this is the signed one. Obviously, we cannot see the image. So this PDF is signature, PDF HUD, and let's see if this is our. Yeah, you see, this is. I think this the page I'm using is signature PDF HUD, and if I pass the ID to it, here. So I think both of them are same. Yeah. So I think this is. Yeah, this is working here. So I'm not sure why it was blank, because if our code will create a PDF, let me show you the debug. And if the issue here that what I found is that it was using the custom setting one, that means maybe it was using basic one, but I'm not sure about that. But uh, one thing I'm not so sure is how it is creating a blank PDF. If it will create a PDF from here, at least it can create this one, like at least the labels or something, uh, or there is some kind of exception that is coming, because in our code, when we don't get the PDF value from the page, we put a blank string to create the PDF when we are processing. So I was hoping there will be some kind of exception or something, but I did not find that. But you see here, this is the yeah, here after signature is processed, it ran the PDF here. Okay, and I will test, I should test with one more page. Let me see, you said there is 2-3 pages. Maybe I find it here. What was the name? Signature, this because I am testing with this one. Maybe this one, let me see if it will work. uh, okay, so I should test this one maybe. I cannot put it here, right here, because it will override from here. So I am putting just here for now. I will change everything when I'm done testing. Okay, so just maybe I should delete this one, and there must be a PDF here on the contact. Yeah, so and let me first check if it's the one. Yeah, this is the one we created. So delete this one. So yeah, okay, so Create the page. Delete the debugs. Now sign the page. And sign. Okay, to 20 and just sign it. So let's see if it works with the other page. Okay. Now let me check it this one. So this. Okay, so this one I think this is yeah. So you see this is our new PDF page, and it is also working. And let me open it from the newly created this page is embedded here, the PDF page. So never mind this one. We could check this one. Okay, yeah, it's looking fine. Yeah. Okay, so what should I do here? Just delete everything as you asked. So I'm not sure. Maybe the issue was the first and second issue, the process builder issue, and then the package issue. Either one of them maybe cause, because the first issue will not let you create the signature. So I'm not sure. Maybe the second one is making it. Uh, so let me just make changes back to what it was. So this was to test if it is getting overridden. So obviously let me make it one. Second testing was this one. If requested form is HUD intake form, then procedure will run and it will do something that will cause exception. So I'm not sure why it was okay, never mind. So I just save it. So two things. And one more thing I think is there, the basic signature PDF. Yep. So let me make it back to as it was. Empathy. So these are the changes that I made, and there is nothing else that I changed. So I will send you the link of the new package, so that will fix the issue. And please check and give your feedback. Thank you.